So start କରିବା English ସହିତ। The quality of products dash over time are degrading, has been degrading, have degrading, were degraded.
Has been.
The quality of products has been
has been
correct, has been degrading. According to the prevailing rate, 2 dozen dash rupees 100. 2 dozen dash rupees 100. Costs, cost, costed, costing.
Cost.
cost
S ଲାଗିବ କି
cost
ଲାଗିବନି?
ଲାଗିବନି
ଲାଗିବ
ଲାଗିବ ହେଲା।
2 dozen
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସର ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଫିନାଇଟ୍ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟିକୁ ଦର୍ଶଉଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଭର୍ବ ହୁଏ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର। ତ ଏଠି 2 ଡଜନ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଫିନାଇଟ୍ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟିକୁ ବୁଝିଲା, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଠି ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ହବ। କାଉଣ୍ଟ କରୁନି ସେ। ତ 2 ଡଜନ କଷ୍ଟ ରୁପିଜ 100। ଯେମିତି 5 କିଲୋମିଟର ଇଜ ଏ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଟୁ ୱାକ୍, ସେମ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ର ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, which tense is used to express an action going at some point in the past?
Simple past.
Going at
past
some point in the past. Past,
past perfect continuous
past
perfect
continuous, past continuous, perfect continuous ନୁହେଁ। Going at some point in the past କହୁନି ଯେ ହେଇ ଆସୁଥିଲା, ହେଉଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, they dash into their chairs, they dash into their cars and drove away. They dash into their cars and drove away. Has got, got, gets.
Got.
Correct.
got
Sentence is in past simple form. So they got into their cars and drove away. What is the tense form in the sentence? Nick has purchased a new laptop.
Present perfect.
Correct.
present perfect
Present perfect.
present perfect
Correct. Subject plus has have plus V3. This is the form of present perfect tense. What is the tense form in the given sentence? I am visiting her now.
present continue
Correct.
present continuous
Present continuous. Correct. Subject plus is am are plus V1 plus ing. This is the correct form of present continuous tense form. Next. Choose the correct non-finite verb in the sentence. Which is the non-finite verb? Opening the drawer, we took out a pen. Opening the drawer, we took out a pen. Which is the non-finite verb in the sentence?
opening
ଯିଏ କହିପାରୁନ ନା, ଏଠି କମେଣ୍ଟରେ
Opening.
ଆନ୍ସର କରିବ। ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଲ୍ୟାପଟପ୍ ଓପନ୍ କରିଛି ତ ମୁଁ ଚେକ୍ କରିପାରିବି କାହାକୁ କେତେ ଆସୁଛି। So opening is the non-finite verb here. लास्ट क्लास रे डिस्कस भी थिला। She is really good at confusing people. Which is the non-finite verb?
Confusing.
confusing
Correct.
Using.
Confusing is the non-finite verb. Next, I am going to the market right now.
Going.
Correct. Going.
going
You had better ask permission.
Ask.
Correct. Ask
Ask.
is the non-finite verb. I have known him laugh for nothing.
Known.
ନାଇଁ I have known ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Known.
laugh ହବ laugh is the non-finite verb। laugh ହସିବା।
Laugh.
The enemy beaten at every point fled, which is the non-finite
Plead. Plead. Plead.
Dead.
beaten, correct. Beaten is the non-finite verb. The room needs cleaning, which is the non-finite verb.
Cleaning.
Correct. Cleaning.
Cleaning.
Cleaning. He is good at teaching.
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 Teaching. What is the passive form of the sentence given? He was watching television in the morning. He was
Television
The
being watched.
television was being
Was
watched
being
by him in the
television
morning.
being
correct.
watched in the morning.
Correct, correct. So here the object is television. So in passive, it will be started with the object that is television. Then the sentence was in past progressive. So the form will be was or were, that is television ସହିତ ଲାଗିବ was plus being, then verb the third form that is watched, television was being watched, then by ପରେ ଲାଗିବ subject ଥିଲା he, so it will be now object. So television was being watched by hero, objective form that is him in the morning. Television was being watched by him in the morning. Let him complete the work. Change the sentence into passive voice. Let him complete the work.
Let the let be let the work be completed.
Correct. Let the work be completed
Work be complete.
by him.
By
By
him.
next. They were playing football last night. They were playing football last night.
The football was
Football was
being
being
played
The
by them.
football was
played
being
by
played.
them.
Correct.
Played by them last night.
Correct. Football was being played by them last night. Football was being played by them last night. She always abuses me. She always abuses me.
I am abused by him always.
Correct, correct. I am
I am
always
always
I am
abused.
always abused by her.
correct. I am always abused by
Abused by her.
her. Correct. I am always abused by her. We expected good news. Change the sentence into passive voice. We expected good news.
The good
Good
news
news. The
Good
good
news
news was
we
was
are
being
expected.
expected by.
was
Correct.
expected by us.
Correct. Good news was expected by us. By us न लगेले भी ହେଇପାରିବ passive. My teacher loves me.
I am loved by the teacher.
I was
I am
loved.
loved by my teacher.
Yeah,
I
loved
am
by the teacher.
loved by my teacher.
Correct. I am loved by my teacher. The principal has given me a prize.
The prize has
The
been
prize
given
was
by my
being
principal.
given by the principal.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ ଥରେ କୁହ।
Question ଟା sir ଆଉ ଥରେ
ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ। ତଥାପି ଟିକେ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା।
I am
ଇପ୍ସିତା ଟିକେ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା। The principal has given me a prize.
I has been given a prize by the
ଆଇ
principal.
ସହିତ has ଲାଗେ?
Oh, no.
I
I
have
have been.
ହୁଁ
I have been given a prize by the principal.
ବଢିଆ। ଏବେ କରେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା। ମୁଁ ସେଦିନ ବି କହିଥିଲି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦିଟା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଥିବ ଯୋଉ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ହବ ତମର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ। ଦ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ହ୍ୟାଜ ଗିଭେନ୍ ମି ଏ ପ୍ରାଇଜ। ଫାଷ୍ଟ ମି ଅଛି, ସୋ ମି ର ସବଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଫର୍ମ ସହିତ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ ପ୍ୟାସିଭ, ଆଇ ରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ, ନଟ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଏ ପ୍ରାଇଜ। ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯିବ ଏ ପ୍ରାଇଜ। ଯଦି ପ୍ରାଇଜ ଆଗ ଥିବ ପ୍ରାଇଜ ରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ, ଯଦି ମି ଅଛି ଆଗ ତ ମି ରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ। So the correct passive form is I have been given a prize by the principal. We shall have discussed the matter. Change into passive voice. We shall have discussed the matter.
The matter shall have been discussed by me,
Body.
by us.
By us. Very good.
By us.
Will better होगा shall ଜାଗାରେ the matter ଅଛି ଯେହେତୁ ତ correct passive form होगा the matter will have been discussed by us. We ର सब objective case ହେଇଯିବ us। ଦେଖ ତ will shall ବି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲଗାଉଛ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ କୁ ଦେଖିବ ବା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ କୁ ଦେଖିବ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଲଗେଇବ। ସେଲ୍ ଦେଇଛି ମାନେ ସେଲ୍ ହିଁ ଲଗେଇବ ମାନେ ନାହିଁ, ଯୋଉଟା ବେଟର ସେଟା ଲଗେଇବ। ଯଦି ଭାବିନିଅ ଦିଟା ପ୍ୟାସିଭ ଫର୍ମ ଅଛି, ମ୍ୟାଟର ୱିଲ୍ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ଡ ଅଛି ପ୍ୟାସିଭରେ, ମ୍ୟାଟର ସାଲ୍ ହାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ଡ ଅଛି, କୋଉଟା ହବ?
Will have been.
Will
will
have
have
been.
been ହବ ହେଲା। ଥାର୍ଡ ପର୍ସନ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ସହିତ will ଲାଗେ, ଆଇ ୱି ସହିତ ସାଲ୍ ଲାଗେ, ତ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟେନ୍ସ ପଢୁ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଲଗେଇବ। ଯଦି ଦିଟା ଥିବ ଯୋଉଟା ବେଟର ସେଇଟା ଲଗେଇବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି ଅପସନ ଦବନି କେବେ, पर କହି ଦଉଛି ଯଦି ବାଇ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦେଲା। ନେକ୍ସଟ, choose the correct preposition here. Abhimanyu is the son dash Arjun.
Of.
Son of.
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 এটা তো বহুত ইজি ଥିଲା। Correct. Abhimanyu is the son of Arjun. Curd, that is dahi. Curd sells dash rupees 20 a liter. Curd
For.
sells dash rupees 20 a liter. 20 ଟଙ୍କାରେ ଦହି ବିକ୍ରି ହୁଏ। At,
At.
correct,
At.
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 କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷର କେତେବେଳେ ରେଟ୍ ବତେଇଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ at ଲାଗେ। So curd sells at rupees 20 a liter. Next, Bina is not eligible dash this post.
For.
To.
For.
For.
For this post, correct. The beggar went dash the market.
To.
To.
Options,
Went to.
To the market.
नहीं नहीं ऑप्शन नहीं गोटेरे भी टू कहि दूची। At, correct, correct.
Well,
Ipsita correct. Through the market. ହେଲା ଦ
to.
ବେଗର ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଥ୍ରୁ ଦ ମାର୍କେଟ, ମୁଭ୍ କରୁଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ଏମିତି ମୁଭ୍ କରୁଛି, ସେ ଅର୍ଥରେ ଏଠି ଥ୍ରୁ ଲାଗିବ। ଦ ବେଗର ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଥ୍ରୁ ଦ ମାର୍କେଟ। ଦ ଅର୍ଥ ରିଭଲ୍ଭସ୍ ଡ୍ୟାଶ ଦ ସନ୍।
Around the sun.
Around the sun.
Around the.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट।
Around.
डिवाइड दीज apples डैश द चिल्ड्रन।
Among the children.
Between.
Among.
Among
Among.
the.
Among.
Among.
Among the.
Among.
एमोंग ना बिटवीन?
Among.
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 करेक्ट करेक्ट। एमोंग द चिल्ड्रन, करेक्ट। द पेशेंट हैड डाइड डैश द डॉक्टर came.
Before.
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 Before the
Before.
doctor came.
Before.
The doctor patient had died before the doctor came. He died dash overeating. He died dash overeating.
From.
Die.
Died dash
From.
overeating. From, correct. From
From.
ହବ
From.
ହେଲା କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ that is external ଆଉ indirect agent ହେଇଥିବ ଯଦି ତାହେଲେ ସେଥିରେ from ଲାଗେ। ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷରୁ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଲେ ଅଫ୍ ଲାଗେ,
Dead of.
ଅଫ୍ ଲାଗିବ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଦ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଇନଟୁ ସିମ୍ପଲ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। ଦୁଇଟା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ତାକୁ କମ୍ବାଇନ୍ କରିକି ଗୋଟେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କରିବ। ରବିନ ଇଜ ମାଇ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ, ହି ଇଜ ଏ ଜର୍ନାଲିଷ୍ଟ। Robin is my friend. He is a journalist.
Robin
Robin is my
is
friend
my
and
friend who is a journalist.
କଣ ଆଉ ଥରେ?
Robin is my friend who is a
journalist is my
journalist.
friend.
କରେକ୍ଟ ସେଟା ବି ହେଇପାରିବ। ରବିନ୍ କମା ମାଇ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣାଲିଷ୍ଟ ବି ହେଇପାରିବ। ନେକ୍ସଟ
ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା ବି ହେଇପାରିବ ନା ମାଇ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ରବିନ ଇଜ ଏ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣାଲିଷ୍ଟ।
ମାଇ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇପାରିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟାର ଫର୍ମେସନ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଏଠି। ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଦେଇଥିଲା
Sir, who
ରବିନ୍
is
ଇଜ ମାଇ
actually
ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ
Robin?
ଦେଇଥିଲା ନା। ଯଦି ମାଇ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ
Sir,
ଇଜ ରବିନ୍ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ସେମିତି ଆମେ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ। ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସର ଫର୍ମେସନ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବାର ନାହିଁ, ମିନିଂ ସେମ୍ ରହିବ।
sir, who is a journalist? ସେଇ type ର ବି ହେଇପାରିବ ନା?
କଣ
Robin is my friend who is a journalist.
ବିଲକୁଲ ହେଇପାରିବ କହିଲି। ଏଠି ଚାର୍ଜ ହଉନି କି ଏଠି? କଣ ବସେଇଛି ଲ୍ୟାପଟପ୍ ଚାର୍ଜ ହଉନି। କେମିତି ହବ କହ ତ ଏଥିରେ? କୋଉଠି ଚାର୍ଜ କରିବି ଏବେ? ଲ୍ୟାପଟପ୍ ଟାକୁ କୋଉଠି ବସେଇବି? ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଚାଲିଛି ପୁରା ସେଠି। ଆରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେ କହିଲେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରୁଛେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେ। କୋଉଠି ନାହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଯେ କରିବ ମଣିଷ। ତାକୁ କହ ସେଠି ବସିବ ଆଉ ଟିଭି ତମେ ବନ୍ଦ କର ଘଣ୍ଟେ। ଚାର୍ଜ ନାହିଁ କରି କଣ କରିବି? ତମେ କଥା ହୁଅନି ସବୁ ହବ।
ଏବଂ ସିନ୍ଦୁର ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଲଗାନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ। ସେବା କରିବା ସମୟରେ ଚନ୍ଦନ ଲଗାନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବସ୍ତ୍ର
What is the meaning of the idiom black sheep? An honorable member of a group, a disreputable member of a group, a quarrelsome person, a kind man.
Disreputable.
quarrelsome person.
Correct. A disreputable member of a group. What is the meaning of the idiom capital punishment? Justice delayed, punishment for a revolt, death penalty, life imprisonment.
Death penalty.
Correct. Death penalty. What is the meaning of the idiom a man of letters? An educated man, a literary person,
Educated man.
an intelligent person,
Literary
a
person.
postman.
Literally
Literate.
person.
Literary person.
Correct. Literary person.
ସାର୍ ଏଇ ସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କଣ ମେନ୍ସ ର ଅପସନ ଥିବ?
ଅପସନ୍ ନଥିବ।
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ର?
ନଥିବ। କୋଉ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ମେନ୍ସ କହୁଛ ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବିଲକୁଲ ନଥିବ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ଆସିବନି। ଏମିତି ଜିନିଷ ଆସିବ ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି କାଲି କି ପରଦିନ ଯେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ସେଲିଂ ଇନ୍ ଦ ସେମ୍ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଇଡିୟମର ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ ମିସିଂ ଥିବ। ସେ ୱାର୍ଡକୁ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବ ଯୋଉଟାକି ଗୋଟେ ଇଡିୟମ ହବ। ଏମିତି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିପାରେ। ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ଏମିତି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରେ ଯୋଉଟାକି ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ଆଣିପାରିବ। ତ କ'ଣ ହବ? ସେଲିଂ ଇନ୍ ଦ ସେମ୍ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ କ'ଣ ହବ? ଇଡିୟମ।
ବୋଟ।
ବୋଟ୍ କରେକ୍ଟ।
Boat.
ସେଲିଂ ଇନ୍ ଦ ସେମ୍ ବୋଟ୍ ଏମିତି
ବୋଟ।
କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିପାରିବ। ନେକ୍ସଟ dash in the grass को idiom हबो
Snake.
snake in the
Snake in
grass
Snake in
the
the
grass.
Snake in the
grass.
snake in the grass correct what is the meaning of the idiom by dint of by dint of by means of on the other side without any help in the support of
By means of support of.
by means of
by means
by
of.
dint of means by means of by means
In
of
the support of.
nine nine in support of no by means of by dint of means by means of to lose face what is the meaning of the idiom by to lose face to be humiliated to look furious to be disturbed to be helpless
To look
To be
humiliated.
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 correct
Humiliated.
Curious.
to be humiliated
Okay.
correct to be humiliated to lose face means to be humiliated what is the meaning of the idiom keep up with to adjust to believe to keep pace with to continue
Base.
Adjust.
Continue.
Adjust.
to keep pace with
Base. Base with.
keep up with means to keep pace with I always take my umbrella if it dash
Rains.
Rain.
It rains.
Rain.
fill in the blanks with the correct form of rain
Rains.
rains
Rains.
correct rains correct
Rains.
it
Rains of.
always I always take my umbrella if it rains s ଲାଗିବ choose the correct form of the verb ସବୁଥିରେ ସେମିତି କହିବ ହେଲା she will come to your party if you dash her invite
Invite.
Invites.
Invite. Invite.
Invite.
Invite.
invite
Invite.
ହିଁ ଲାଗିବ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବାର ନାହିଁ କିଛି
Right.
next she will come to your party if you invite her thank you for your offer sneha I would not be able to do it unless you dash me help
Help.
ଆଉ
Help.
ଥରେ କହୁଛି thank you for your offer sneha I would not be able to do it unless you dash me
Help.
Help ହବ.
Help.
help ହବ ନା helps ହବ ନା helped ହବ
Help.
ଖାଲି help.
Help. Help.
ଇଡି ଲାଗିବ.
ed ଲାଗିବ correct would ଅଛି would ତମେ ମତେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରି ନଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଏଟା କରିପାରି ନଥାନ୍ତି ହେଲା ତ I would not be able to do it unless you helped me would ଥିଲା ଯେହେତୁ next if I am late my father dash me to school take take ର correct form if I am late my father dash me to school
To.
Take.
My
Take.
my father will take.
will take ହବ
Will take.
ବିଲକୁଲ
Will.
ମୁଁ
Will do.
ଯଦି ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ ମୋ ବାପା ମତେ ନେଇଯିବେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ if
Will.
I am late
Takes.
my father will take me to school ଏମିତି ଟାଇପର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ସିଓର ପଡିବ ଜାଣିଥ 2 ମାର୍କ if the road had not been icy we dash an accident if the
Would,
road
would
Would have.
have. We would have.
bracket
Would
ରେ
have.
ଅଛି meet bracket ରେ ଅଛି meet ହେଲା
Would have
We
met.
would have made.
Would have been made.
Have met.
Meet.
Have met.
would have met ହବ ନା would not have met ହବ
Would have made.
After what you said.
Not
Would
have
have
made.
met.
Would have not.
if the road had not been icy ଯଦି ଆଇସି ହେଇ ନଥାନ୍ତା
Would have
ତାହେଲେ
not
ଆମର
made.
ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ
Would not. Would not.
Pain of who?
ହେଇ
Hey,
ନଥାନ୍ତା
nothing.
Would not have made.
Would not
ଦେଖ
have
ଏବେ
met.
ଏଇଟା
Would not
ଏକ୍ସାମ
have
ରେ
made.
ଆସିଥିଲେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା ସମସ୍ତେ ତ if the road had not been icy we would not have met an accident sentence को बुझिबो एपटे से नेगेटिव करके दे देछि ହେଲା if ଲାଗିଲେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ନେଗେଟିଭ କରିକି ଦେଇଛି ତ ଆନ୍ସର ବି ତମର ନେଗେଟିଭ ହବ ତ if the road had not been icy we would not have met an accident ଯଦି ଆଇସି ହେଇ ନଥାନ୍ତା ଆମର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ବି ହେଇ ନଥାନ୍ତା ନେକ୍ସଟ if he forgot about it I dash remind him have had
I had
would
would remind
would ହବ କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଠି past ଅଛି if he forgot about it I would remind him bread and butter ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାଲି ଭଳିଆ 10ଟା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ verb agreement ଦେଖିବା କେତେଟା ଠିକ ହଉଛି ରେଡି ତ
yes sir.
bread and butter dash her favorite food ଏଠି ସମସ୍ତେ କେହି କହିବନି
Age.
କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସ ରେ କହିବ
Age.
ସବୁ କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସ ରେ କହିବ ହେଲା bread and butter dash her favorite food is are has have
Age.
आंसर देखि पारुची समस्त इज कहउचंती एकमतरे करेक्ट सो इट इज ए काइंड ऑफ डिश गोटे काइंड ऑफ डिश को कहा जाउची कंबाइंड सेथि पई सिंगुलर नाउन हबो तो ब्रेड एंड बटर इज हर फेवरेट फूड नेक्स्ट द न्यूज डैश ट्रू इज आर वेयर हैज
Each sir.
तो मु आंसर देखुची कमेंट बॉक्स रे करेक्ट तो समस्त ठीक अछंती इज द न्यूज इज ट्रू माय शूज डैश न्यू इज आर वेयर हैज
Each.
तो किछि किछि एठी डेविएशन देखिया को मिलला इज आर कहउचंती आर इज मिक्स हेगी अछि समस्त कहबनी ना कोन ना किछि कहबो किछि पिला भूल कहउचंती हौ ठीक अछि तो आर हबो माय शूज परा
पेयर ହେଇଥିଲେ sir ease ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା
बिल्कुल पेयर हेतले इजी थांता शूज माने दीटा जाक शूज सेपरेट बुझुची हला तो शूज माय शूज आर न्यू ए पेयर ऑफ शू इज न्यू हेतांता हला नेक्स्ट 10 टाइम्स 6 डैश 60 इज आर बीन हैव
Age.
Each.
एटी इक्वल टू अर्थ रे बुझौची तो बिल्कुल 10 टाइम्स 6 इज 60 नेक्स्ट सम मिल्क डैश नीडेड इज आर वेयर हैव
R.
Age.
बहुत बढ़िया किछि पिला ठीक कहले इज हबो मिल्क परा अनकाउंटेबल नाउन सो सम मिल्क इज नीडेड नेक्स्ट डांसिंग एंड सिंगिंग डैश आर्ट आर इज वाज हैव देखो मु आउ थरे कहूची रिवीजन भलसे कर सब्जेक्ट भर एग्रीमेंट हाईकोर्ट एसो मेंस पई मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आसीबो सब्जेक्ट भर एग्रीमेंट रु तापरे आसीबो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच डायरेक्ट स्पीच रु एंड एक्टिव पासिव ए तीनटा टॉपिक भलसे करले ग्रामर रे 20 रु 20 आसीबो सम मिल्क कोन बहुत पिलांकर एठी भूल इज नीडेड अच्छा सम मिल्क अरे क्वेश्चन अलगा थिला ना कोन थिला
dancing
बिल्कुल डांसिंग एंड
Dancing and
इरे भी भूल
singing.
इज होबो ना ना आर होबो
Yes sir. Age.
ease हबो ना
इज होबो केमति होबो
आर्ट अछि ना
केमति होबो आर्ट ले कहला आर्ट संगे कोन मतलब सब्जेक्ट सहित मतलब सब्जेक्ट की एठी डांसिंग और सिंगिंग दीटा सब्जेक्ट
हां
तो डिफरेंट से माने डांसिंग और सिंगिंग कौन गोटे जिनस सेपरेट जिनस आर्ट सहित रिलेशन नहीं से आर्ट सहित तुम सब्जेक्ट लगे कि सब्जेक्ट आर्ट नुह एठी से गोटे सेपरेट नाउन से नॉट सब्जेक्ट हियर द सब्जेक्ट्स आर डांसिंग एंड सिंगिंग तो से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जिनस से हिसाब रे तुमर भर्ब लगे आर्ट को देखिकी भर्ब लगनी आर्ट सिंगुलर अच्छी बोली तुम लगे पारबनी है तो डांसिंग एंड सिंगिंग आर आर्ट हम so both are separate that's why here the verb will be plural dancing and singing are art there dash many books on the table is are was has এটা তো ছাড়ো এটা তো সবু ঠিক থিব there are এটা তো ঠিক ଅଛି ମୁଁ টাইম নেবিনি children dash sweets like likes is liking has liked
likes
देख एबे भी मु कोठी गोटे देखिली दुई तीन जनकर भूल गला देख एमिति क्वेश्चन जदी भूल हबो वाला मु कोन कहबी चिल्ड्रन डैश स्वीट्स चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल हला तो वर्ब भी प्लूरल हबो दैट इज लाइक माने वर्ब रे कोन एस लगेले प्लूरल ही जाएगी उल्टा ही जाए तो चिल्ड्रन लाइक स्वीट्स नॉट लाइक्स लाइक्स इतले तो सिंगुलर ही था थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर तो चिल्ड्रन लाइक स्वीट्स Next, rice and pulse. Dash our usual food. Is are where have. Correct. जेमती bread and butter थिला सेमती ही देची rice and pulse. Special dish. Is our usual food. Next, the teacher as well as students dash going to visit the zoo. Is are where have. रिविजन बिल्कुल होनी बहुत पिलांकर रिविजन होनी मिक्स आंसर आछी सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट इज हबो से दिन भी जदी कहितली तो भलो न कहितले भी तमे जानिबा दरकार एटा कॉमन रूल गुडा को एज वेल एज थिले फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट हिसाब रे तमरो वर्ब यूज हबो तो द टीचर अछि फर्स्ट द टीचर हिसाब रे सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज हबो दैट इज the teacher as well as students is going to visit the zoo students देखी कि plural लागिवनी next many students dash to participate is was were has अरे यार ऑन ही नहीं से मझे गोटे अच्छे सेपरेट तो कौन हम करेक्ट एटी ठीक अच्छी मेनी स्टूडेंट्स वेयर टू पार्टिसिपेट हाँ कौन करी ताहले लाइन ही पड़ेला ठीक टाइम
वर्षा पर ना ना आसे अंधार मुटी पर सेकिंग की बैठी लाइट लगा दे मोबाइल में कथा दे अच्छा आसु लाइन वाला
चार्ज भी ना मोबाइल रे करबी हो ट्राई कल थ्री रेकर्ड करिया को आज करेंट ही ना पड़ेला छाड़ो तो क्वेश्चन थिला मेनी स्टूडेंट्स डैश टू पार्टिसिपेट इज वाज वेयर हैज तो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स देची तो प्लूरल हम तो वेयर टू पार्टिसिपेट रेकॉर्डिंग इतकी ही पारिला बिकॉज करेंट पड़ेला